Hey, hello guys, my name is Ruben and today I'm going to help you solve the issue whenever you try to activate your Windows system that it doesn't allow it because it gives the error code Windows is unable to reach your company's activation servers, and it's the 0xC004F074 error code. Now, I'm going to solve it for you step by step. So let's get right into it. Now watch till the end so you don't miss any important information. Now the first step that we want to take is open up the search bar and head down to CMD. Now open up command prompt as an administrator by right clicking it and run as administrator. Now press yes, and from there command prompt will open up, as you can see right here. I have two commands that we're going to activate, one that we're going to start, and then we're going to restart the computer and activate the next one. Now from there, open up CMD. Here are the commands that I'm going to use. So the first thing that you want to do is select this system, this command. Simply pause the video, write it down, and from there go in here. And from there press enter. Now what this will do, it will change the script host and the key management service machine name set to the KMS8msguides.com successfully. Now what this will do, it will recognize your system by the official Microsoft servers, and from here we're going to simply go to the start, right click the start icon and restart your system. And once you've restarted your system, you can go to command prompt and do it again. Make sure to open it as an administrator. Open up this command right here, copy it, paste it into the command prompt, as you can see, and press enter again. Now here it gives a successful product activated, and from there it's done. Now as you can see, it was successful. Now simply restart your system once again, and that would be it. Now if you still get any questions regarding this tutorial, please leave it in the comments down below. I would highly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.